What's up, everybody? Old Man Winter 8, and I'm about to take run 1 on the new Bent Metal Lightning Supermatic. So Bent Metal has their own version of the Supermatic this year, which is pretty rad. A lot of similar features, obviously, from the standard Supermatic, but upgraded strap. And then from Bent Metal, we got a few of their own little takes on it. They've got a little gel pad underneath the heel, which is nice, give you a little bit more cushioning, better feel there. Kind of their classic high back too, where you get lots of flexibility side to side right where you need it, but it's super stiff when you lean back on it. And then we have their cube, which is the easiest way to adjust forward lean. So 4 different settings, you basically just spin it around right where you need it. And then another thing that's pretty rad is instead of the slip pad, they have their own version here, which this is actually made out of PTEX. So not only does your boot hit it and slide in nice and easy, but since it's made out of PTEX, which is the same base as your board, the same thing the base of your board's made out of, snow's not gonna stick to it because it's not supposed to stick to your board, and that's exactly what it does. It repels all that snow. So just makes it a little bit easier when you go to slide your foot in, so your foot isn't kind of hanging up on it, and you can slide in and step yourself in and get ready to ride. So let's go see how these things feel. Run 1. They do exactly what they are supposed to do. They feel like a regular set of bindings, but then obviously when you're getting in and out of them, it's a lot easier. You just push down, pop your foot up, and slide it right out. So high back felt good. You can really feel it kind of conform to your boot. As you're pushing it out of your turns, you can kind of feel it slowly initiate with your boot when you're twisting to go into your turns. But obviously when you're leaning straight back on it, it digs right in. And then obviously that footbed works because if we look at it, the snow, there's very, very minimal snow in here, and even the stuff that's sitting there, it's just sitting there. I'm barely having to brush that stuff loose. So kind of cool putting their own little take on the Supermatic and just basically giving you that strap binding performance, but you don't have to touch it with your hands to get in, and you just got to push a lever down to get out.